Welcome to Auto Insider channel. Today's diagnostic trouble code is p0443, Evap purge control valve circuit malfunction. This code is related to the evaporative emission system, which prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. The purge control valve is controlled by the engine computer, and if the computer can't open or close it correctly, you'll see this code. Common causes include: Number 1. A faulty purge control valve that is stuck, shorted, or open. Number 2. Damaged or corroded wiring in the Evap circuit. Number 3. A bad electrical connector that's loose or rusty. Number 4. In rare cases, a blown fuse or even a PCM failure. How to fix it? Step 1. Visually check all wiring and connectors going to the purge valve. Look for broken, frayed, or corroded wires. Step 2. Test the purge valve with a multimeter. Most valves should read between 20 and 40 ohms. If it's way off or open circuit, replace it. Step 3. Confirm. The valve is receiving both power and ground signals from the PCM. Step 4. If everything else checks out, replace the purge valve. This is the most common fix. Finally, clear the code and take the car for a test drive. If the code comes back, deeper diagnosis of the wiring or PCM may be needed. Causes and step-by-step fixes you can try. Code p0443, Evap purge valve circuit. Fix: inspect wiring and connectors. Test purge valve, check power ground. Replace purge valve, clear code and test drive.